Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your home. I am your maths teacher for class 2. I am teaching from Ismailia Youth Services School for MGPS campus. So today we are starting chapter number 2, that is 3-digit numbers. Before starting lecture, I am giving you some instructions, so kindly follow these instructions. Be attentive and listen carefully. No disturbance during teaching. Listen carefully teaching with full attention. Don't involve in other activities during teaching. You have to sit along your required subject book and proper stationery box. Take a screenshot of each slide. So the topics of the day are representation of hundred, how to identify place value of three-digit numbers, and how to write numbers in expanded form, how to write the numbers in short form. So today we are starting chapter that is three-digit number. In previous class we have learned about two-digit numbers. So two-digit number made with tens and ones, and two-digit number are start from 110 to 99. And today we are going to learn about three-digit number. So in previous class, I have told you these small blocks, these small blocks, these small blocks shows unit blocks. So how many unit blocks are there? There are 9 unit blocks. So 9 unit means 9. And how many tens block? There are 9 tens blocks. Tens block made with 10 small blocks. So we call this group of 10 block, this group of 10 block called tens block. So these are the 9 tens blocks. So 9 tens means 9, 90. 9 tens means 90. So these are 90 blocks. If we add one more block, so we get 10 tens. 10 tens made with 10 column of 10 blocks. 10 10 tens 10 tens means 100. 10 10 means 100. And if we add these are the 9 tens block, and if we add one more group of 10 blocks, so it will make 10 tens, and 10 10 means 100. So we write 100 in column like this. Here H means 100, T means tens, U means unit. In 100 column, we write 1. In tens column, we write 0. In unit column, we write 0. So this number is called 100. 10 columns of 10 make a block of 100. When we add these 10 column of 10 block, it make a 100. So this square shows 100 block. This is the small unit block. This small unit block shows unit block. This is only one unit block. So one unit means one ones, and one ones equal to one. This is the group of 10 block. Group of 10 block made with 10 blocks. So this is the 110 block, and 110 block means 10 because 110 block made with 10 blocks. So 110 means 10. And this square shows 100 block. Here is only one square, so it means 100, and 100 means 10 tens because 100 made with 10 column of 10 block. So 100 means 10 tens. So this is the unit block, this is the tens block, this is the 100 block. Now we learn what are the place value of three-digit number. Three-digit number are from 100 to 99. The first digit in three-digit number is 100, and the last or largest number in three-digit number is 999. So three-digit number are from 100 to 99. Three-digit number have 100, tens, and unit places. In three-digit number, we have 100, tens, and unit places. Three-digit number are from 100 to 999, and three-digit number have places, hundred, tens, and units. Now I'm going to show some example of three-digit blocks. So here is example of three-digit block. You can look at this picture. Now we will write which number show this block. So first we count how many unit blocks are there. So tell me your answers on chat box. How many unit blocks are there? So count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 small unit blocks, and these small unit blocks shows ones place. So we write 8 in ones place. In three-digit number, we have three places: hundred, tens, and ones. We start with ones place. So if we start from the right side, here is one place, then tens place, and then hundred place. There are three places in three-digit number. So first we count how many ones blocks are there. How many ones blocks are there? There are 8 ones blocks. So we write 8 in ones column. Then count how many tens blocks are there. This rod shows tens block. This rod shows 10 blocks. So how many block of tens are there? Count with me. 1, 2. There are only 2 tens of blocks. So we write 2 in tens column. And tell me how many 100 block is there. There is only one square, and this square shows 100 block. So we write 1 in 100 column. So we get number 128. 128. We can also write this number in words. 128 is equal to 128. We write this number in inverse. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND TWENTY 20, EIGST 8. So this number is called 128. Now see another example. Now count it with me. How many number of blocks are there? Give me your answers on chat box and or raise your hand and count it with me. So these are also three-digit number. In three-digit number, we write in hundred, tens, and ones place. So we start with ones place. So how many ones blocks are there? These small block shows ones block. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 ones block. So we write 4 in ones column. There are 3 columns: hundred column, tens column, and ones column. Because these are the three-digit number, and we write three-digit number in hundred, tens, and ones column. So there are only 4 ones blocks. So we write 4 in ones column. Then count how many number of tens block are there. This rod shows tens block. So count how many block of tens are there. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 block of tens. So we write 3 in tens column. We write 3 in tens column. Then count how many block of hundreds are there. This square shows 100 block. This square shows this square shows 100 block. This square shows 100 block. So we write there are 2 squares. So we write 2 in 100 column because 100 this square shows 100 blocks. So there are 200 blocks. So we write 2 in 100 column. Now tell me which number is this? This number is 234. This block shows number 234. 200, 200 means 200, 3 times means 30, and 4 ones means 4. So this block shows 234. We also write this number in words like this: 234 equal to 234. You write this number in spelling. First write 200 because 2 is in the hundred place. So first we write 200 here. TWO 2HUNDRED 100. After 100 write 100. Then 3 is in the tens place and 4 is in the unit place. So 34. So we write here 34. THIRT by 30 FOUR 4. So 234 is equal to 234. Now see another example. These are also three-digit number, or we write three-digit number in three columns: hundred column, tens column, and ones column. So we write three-digit number in hundred columns, tens column, and ones column. So how many block of hundreds are there? There are two squares. So these two squares shows 100 column. So we write 2 in 100 column because there are 200 blocks. So we write 2 in 100 column. Then see there is no block of tens. There is no block of tens. So we write 0 in tens column. Then count how many ones block. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 ones block. There are 8 ones block. So we write 8 in ones column. So which number this block shows? This block shows number 208. This block shows number 208. These are the three-digit number. Three-digit number made with 100, tens, and ones. And this block shows number 208. So how to write this number in words? 200 equal to TWO 2HUNDRED 100. A and the N. After 100 write N. EIGST 8. So this number is called 208. Now see another example. These blocks also show three-digit number because there are square blocks, tens blocks, and unit blocks. So these blocks also show three-digit number. And we write three-digit number in hundred, tens, and unit column. So first count how many hundred blocks. 1, 2, 3. There are 300 blocks. So we write 3 in 100 column. Here H means 100, E means tens, U means unit. So there are 3 blocks of 100. So we write 3 in 100 column. Then count how many block of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 block of tens. So we write 6 in tens column. Then count how many ones block. These small block shows ones block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ones block. So we write 5 in unit column. So which number this block shows? This block shows number 365. So we write this number in words like this: 365. THREE 3, HUNDRED 100, A and the N, SIXT by 60, FIVE 5. This number is called 365. Now see another example. There are also these block also shows three-digit number. So first count how many blocks of 100 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 400 blocks. So we write 4 in 100 place. Then count how many tens blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 tens. There are 4 tens blocks. So we write 4 in tens column. Then count how many unit blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 unit blocks. So we write 5 in unit column. Here H means 100, T means tens, U means unit. So this block shows number 445. This block shows 445. We also write this number in words like this. 445 is equal to FOUR 4, HUNDRED 100, ANDN, FORTY 40, FIVE 5. So this number is called 445. Okay, this is the next example of three-digit number. So tell me your answers on chat box or raise your hand. How many block of hundreds are there? Count how many block of hundreds are there. These squares shows 100 blocks. So count it with me. How many 100 blocks are there? One, two, three, four, five. There are 500 blocks. So we write 5 in 100 column. Yes, Arisha, Abira, Fatma Rahil, your answer is right. We have five. We have five block of 100. So we write 5 in 100 column. Now tell me how many block of tens are there? How many block of tens are there? Give your answers on chat box. Abira Khan, your answer is right. There are two tens of blocks, so we write 2 in tens column. Now tell me how many unit blocks are there. Now tell me how many unit blocks are there. Okay, your answer is right. Aisha Shoaib, your answer is right. There are only 3 unit blocks, so we write 3 in unit column. We write 3 in unit column. So 300, 500, 2 tens, 3 unit makes number 523. We write 5 in 100 column, 2 in tens column, 3 in unit column. So 500, 2 tens, 3 unit makes number 523. We can also write this number in words like this. 523 is equal to 523. FIVE 5, HUNDRED 100, ANDN, TWENTY 20, THR 3. So this number is called 523. Now open your book. Open page number 9 in your book and take your pencils and do it with me. Here question is given. Here are some objects. So we will count how many blocks are there. You can see here there are 3 columns. First column shows uh, in first column here is H is written tens and U are written. So here H means 100, T means tens and U means unit. And next column is number column, then next column is number in words. So count it with me how many number of blocks are there. In first one, how many 100 blocks? There is only one square and this one square shows 100. So we write 1 in 100 column. Now tell me how many block of tens? There is no block of tens, so we write 0 in tens column. Then tell me how many number of unit blocks. There is only one number. There is only one unit, so we write 1 in unit column. So 100, 0 tens, 1 unit makes number 101. And we also write this number in words like this 101. Now give me your answers on chat box. In second one, how many blocks are there? How many 100 blocks, how many tens blocks, and how many unit blocks? What will we write here? Take your pencils and do it with me and also give your answers on chat box or raise your hand. I will share your answers. So give your answers on chat box. In second one, How many blocks are there? Yes, Inaya, Umama, your answers, Aisha Shoaib, your answers are right. In second one, there is only one square, so we write 1 in 100 column. There is no tens column, so we write 0 in tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 small unit blocks, so we write 4 in unit column. It makes 1, 100, 0 tens, 4 unit makes number 104. So we also write this number in verse like this 104. Now tell me your answer. Now tell me your answer. Now tell me your answer. Now tell me how many number of blocks are there? Give me answers on chat box. How many number of blocks are there? Yes, Mama, Aisha, Shoaib, your answers are right. There is only 100 blocks, so we write 1 in 100 column. There is no tens block, so we write 0 in tens column. And there are only 6 unit of blocks, so we write 6 in unit column. So 100, 0, 10, 6 unit makes number 106. We also write this number. We also write this number in words like this 106. Take a screenshot of these slides and remaining parts you will be do by yourself. This is your homework. Take a screenshot of these slides and remaining parts you will be done by yourself. Now open page number 10 in your book. Count and write how many number of blocks are there. First one has done. So see this example. Tell me how many block of hundreds are there. There are only 2 square blocks, so we write 2 in 100 column. Here H means 100, T means 10, U means unit. There are only 2 square blocks. There are only 200 blocks, so we write 2 in 100 column. There is no tens blocks, so we write 0 in tens column. And then count how many unit blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are only 5 unit blocks, so we write 5 in unit column. So 200, 0 tens, 5 unit makes number 205. 205. So we also write this number in words column like this 205. Now we will also do remaining questions. So tell me your answers on chat box. I will share your answers. Tell me your answers on chat box. I will share your answers. How many number of blocks shows here? There is how many 100 blocks are there? There is only 100 blocks, so we write 1 in 100 column. How many tens blocks? There is only one tens block, so we write 1 in tens column. How many unit blocks? There are only 5 unit blocks, so we write 5 in unit column. 100, 1 tens, 5 unit makes number 115. So we write it makes number 115. So we also write this number in words like this 115. Now see next one and tell me your answers on chat box. How many blocks are there? There is only one square blocks. There is only 100 blocks, so we write 1 in 100 column. There are 3 tens blocks, so we write 3 in tens column. There are only 4 unit blocks, so we write 4 in unit column. So 100, 3 times 4 unit makes number 134. We also write this number like this 134. See another example. How many number of blocks show this one? There is only 100 blocks, so we write 1 in 100 column. How many block of tens are there? There are only two block of tens, so we write 2 in tens column. And how many unit blocks? There are no unit blocks, so we write 0 in unit column. So 100, 2 times 0 unit makes number 120. We also write this number like this, 123. Remaining part you will be do by yourself. This is your homework. And remaining part you will be do by yourself. Now see another example. See, open page number 12 on your book. So here columns are given as TU. Here X means 100, T means tens, U means unit. We also write this number inverse like this. So first we count how many block of hundreds are there. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 block of hundreds. So we write 6 and 100 column. Then count how many block of tens are there. 1, 2. There are only 2 block of tens. So we write 2 in tens column. Then count how many unit blocks are there. There are only 7 unit blocks. So we write 7 in unit column. So 600, 2 tens and 7 unit makes number 627. Remaining part you will be do by yourself like this. Now I'm going to tell you what is the expanded form. In previous class you have learned expanded form of 2-digit number. In this class you will learn expanded form of 3-digit number. In expanded form we break up a number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. So see this example. First we count how many block of hundreds are there. There is only one block of hundred, so we write here 100. Then count how many block of tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only four block of tens, so we write here 4 tens because these blocks shows tens block, so we write here 4 tens. 4 tens means 40 because 4 tens made with 40 blocks. Then count how many ones blocks. There are only 5 ones blocks. So we write here 5 ones. 5 ones means 5. So 100 means 100. 4 tens means 40. 5 ones means 5. So we write here 100 plus 40 plus 5. So 100 plus 40 plus 5 is equal to 145. Now we write the expanded form. Now we learn the expanded form of 900p. So 900 means 900. In expanded form, we write the place value of each digit. We break the number and we write the place value of each digit number separately. So 9 is in the 100 place. So 900. So the expanded form of 903 is equal to 900. 0 is in the tens place. So we write here 0. And 3 is in the ones place, so we write here 3. So the expanded form of 903 is 900 plus 0 plus 3. In expanded form, we write the place value of each digit number separately. So 900. So the expanded form of 903 is 900 plus 0 plus 3. Now open this page in your book. You will do it by yourself. In this here question is given, write the number in expanded form. Here number is given 340. So in expanded form you write the place value of each digit number separately. So here number is given 340. So these are the 3-digit number. When we have 3-digit number, so the places of the digit number are 100, tens and ones. So the first 3 is in the 100 place, 4 is in the tens place, 0 is in the unit place. So 3 is in the 100 place. So first we write here 300. 4 is in the tens place. So we write here 4 tens. 0 is in the unit place. So we write here 0 unit. Now we write this. Number in figure. 300 means 300. How many 0 in 100? There are 2 zeros. So we write 3. 2 0 with 3. 4 tens means 40 because 4 tens made with 40 blocks. So 4 tens means 40. 0 unit means 0. So the expanded form of 340 is 300 plus 40 plus 0. In expanded form, we write the place of each value separately. Now see another example. Here. Number is given 756. We also write this number in expanded form. In expanded form, we write the place value of each digit number. So 7 is in the hundred place. So we write here 700, comma 5 is in the tens place. So we write here 5 tens, comma 6 is in the unit place. So we write here 6 units. 700 means 700, 5 tens means 50, 6 units means 6. So the expanded form of 756 is 700 plus 50 plus 6. Now the remaining part you will be solved like this. This is your homework. Take a screenshot of this slide. The remaining part you will do by yourself. Open page number 14. You will also write this page. We will also do this page. Write the place value of the ring digit number. These are the 3-digit number. 9 is in the tens place. First place is hundred place. Second place is tens place. And third place is ones place. So the value of ring digit is 9 tenths. 9 tenths means 90. Here 7 is in the hundred place. So we write here 700, or we also write 700 in figure like this. Here 8 is in the unit place. So we write here 8 units or 8. Now we learn what is the short form. When we add the expanded form, we get the short form. So 900 plus 80 plus 4 is equal to 984. 400 plus 20 plus 0, when we add these three numbers, we get 420. So the short form of this number is 420. 600 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 601. So the short form of this number is 601. Now this is your home task. Take a screenshot of this slide. Do page number 9 to 14 in book. This is your home task. Take a screenshot of this slide. Do page number 9 to 20 in book. Now I'm going to finish this class. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.